Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Scott, your real estate guy here at Exodus Capital. And today we're diving into something you've probably heard tossed around in investing circles lately. Hard money lending. Is it worth it? Is it risky? Is it the smartest play for 2025? Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe and share this video with someone who's looking for smarter ways to grow their money this year. Let's unpack it. So, here's the headline. Hard money lending is having a moment. With inflation still eating away at traditional savings and the stock market bouncing yo-yo, investors are scrambling for options that offer higher returns without playing the long game. And in steps hard money lending, a bold, short-term, high-reward option that's got everyone from seasoned pros to side-hustling investors paying attention. Let's be real. Most traditional investments aren't giving people the results they want anymore. Bonds are safe but slow. Stocks are volatile. And real estate, it's competitive and expensive to get into. But hard money lending, it sits at the intersection of speed, access, and return. It's hands-on. It's real. You know where your money is going, and you're usually backing it with physical property. It sounds solid, but let's not sugarcoat it. This isn't a risk-free playground. In simple terms, you're the bank. But unlike traditional banks, you have the flexibility to make quick decisions and offer loans based on the value of the property rather than the borrower's creditworthiness. This makes hard money lending an attractive option for real estate investors and developers who need cash fast. A real estate investor or developer needs cash fast, maybe to flip a house or snag a time-sensitive deal. Traditional banks often take weeks or even months to approve a loan, but in the world of real estate, time is money. Hard money lenders can provide the necessary funds in a matter of days, allowing investors to act quickly and seize opportunities. You lend them the money at a higher interest rate, and they pay you back over a short term. This short-term nature of hard money loans is what sets them apart from traditional loans, which can last for decades. Hard money loans typically have terms ranging from 6 months to a few years, making them ideal for projects that require quick turnaround times. Think 10%, 12%, even 15% interest, often paid in under 12 months. These high interest rates reflect the increased risk that hard money lenders take on, but they also offer the potential for significant returns. For investors, the cost of borrowing at these rates is often outweighed by the profits they can make from their real estate projects. Example, someone lends $100,000 for a 6-month flip. Interest is 12%. This means that at the end of the 6 months, the borrower will owe $106,000. The lender makes $6,000 in interest, which is a substantial return on investment for such a short period. That's $6,000 in just half a year. Not bad, right? This example illustrates the potential profitability of hard money lending. However, it's important to remember that with high returns come high risks. The success of the investment depends on the borrower's ability to complete the project and repay the loan on time. But here's the big question. Is hard money lending right for you? It requires a thorough understanding of the real estate market, the ability to assess property values accurately, and a willingness to take on higher risks for the potential of higher rewards. If you have the knowledge and the risk tolerance, hard money lending can be a lucrative addition to your investment portfolio. Let's get into the real talk. What if things go sideways? Hard money lending is secured by real estate, so if the borrower defaults, you can recover the property. But that's a whole process. You're not just an investor now. You're dealing with lawyers, timelines, and maybe a property you didn't plan to manage. You've got to be ready for those possibilities. This isn't passive, it's active capital, and it comes with responsibility. Let me tell you about John. John is an ordinary guy, just like you and me. He works a regular job, has a family, and dreams of financial freedom. But what sets John apart is his determination to make those dreams a reality. He's one of the folks we've seen take this route. John decided to take control of his financial future by investing in real estate. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was ready to put in the work. Put in $50,000 for a 6-month loan on a property flip. The borrower delivered. John did his research and found a promising property that needed some renovation. He saw potential where others saw risk. John got his money back plus 6%, a cool $3,000 in half a year. It was a significant return on his investment, and it gave him the confidence to keep going. Now, that doesn't happen every time. John knew that not every investment would be a home run. There were times when things didn't go as planned, and he faced setbacks, but he learned from each experience and kept moving forward. But when it works, it really works. The successful deals more than made up for the occasional losses. John celebrated each victory, no matter how small, and used them as motivation to keep pushing. But remember, John did his due diligence. He didn't guess. He learned. He spent countless hours studying the market, analyzing properties, and understanding the risks involved. He knew that knowledge was his greatest asset. He was always eager to learn and grow, never settling for complacency. Over time, John's efforts paid off. His portfolio grew, and so did his confidence. He diversified his investments, ensuring that he wasn't putting all his eggs in one basket. This approach helped him weather the ups and downs of the market. Today, John enjoys the fruits of his labor. He has more financial freedom and can spend quality time with his family. His story is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. And now, John is paying it forward. He mentors others who are just starting their investment journeys, sharing his knowledge and experiences to help them succeed. John's story is not just about financial success, it's about the power of perseverance and the importance of giving back. In this economy, the winners aren't just the ones who work hard, they're the ones who understand the dynamics of the market and can adapt quickly to changes. It's not enough to put in the hours. You need to be strategic about where you invest your time and resources. They're the ones who know how to make their money work harder. This means leveraging financial tools and resources that maximize returns while minimizing risks. It's about being proactive rather than reactive and always staying one step ahead of the curve. That's what we focus on here at Exodus Capital. Educating and empowering people to make smarter moves, even in times of uncertainty. We believe that financial literacy is the key to unlocking potential and achieving long-term success. Our workshops and seminars are designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to navigate the complex financial landscape. You don't need to chase the trend. Trends come and go, but a solid understanding of the fundamentals will always keep you grounded. By focusing on the core principles of finance and investment, you can make informed decisions that stand the test of time. You need to understand the terrain. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments. Whether it's changes in market conditions, new investment opportunities, or shifts in economic policy, being aware of the terrain allows you to navigate it more effectively. And if hard money lending's on your radar, that's not a bad thing. Hard money lending can be a valuable tool for those looking to invest in real estate or other ventures that require quick access to capital. It's about understanding the risks and rewards and using it as part of a broader investment strategy. It just means you're thinking outside the usual box. Innovation and creativity are essential in today's competitive market. By exploring alternative financing options and thinking outside the traditional frameworks, you can uncover new opportunities and achieve greater success. At Exodus Capital, we encourage you to challenge the status quo and find unique solutions that work for you. Look, I'm not here to give you advice. I'm here to give you awareness. Whether it's real estate, alternative investments, or building long-term income, it starts with the right mindset. Do your homework. Learn from people who've actually done it. And most importantly, be intentional with your money. That's what separates people who survive from people who thrive. If this video opened your eyes, make sure you share and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you've ever considered or tried hard money lending. And hey, if you're serious about learning how to build wealth the right way, head over to exoduscapital.com and check out our courses and free resources. This is Scott from Exodus Capital. Let's keep building.